Who will answer?
Ma'am, x square plus ab
A
plus a plus bx
plus bx and
plus
plus
ab.
plus AB. Okay, and then there were deductions. Two deductions were there. You remember what were the deductions added
X
in?
minus A and X plus B.
Those are four deductions from this. Now deductions from these two were also there. What was that? If you add a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, what was the value? Anyone remember? Abdullah, what is it if you add 2 into a square plus b square? And if you subtract a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, this is equal to
4AB.
correct 4ab. So these formula we have done now. Okay, so this you have to learn and remember, and wherever it is used you have to use. So we have done enough questions. I think I gave some questions in homework also. I think 3 parts I gave. Now last 3 parts I gave as homework, so all of you have done that. I'll check when I open the slide. Before that, we'll do some more special products. Okay, so now what else is left? Some more special products. Now all of you have got notebook now, so just calculate this thing. A plus b into a plus b whole square. Okay, you know what is a plus b whole square, so you have to multiply. I'm writing the first step. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so you have to multiply these two. What answer you are getting? This is actually how do you multiply? You remember how we multiply? A into this whole bracket anybody has got the last step?
Ma'am, the last bracket is whole square, right? Or only B square?
Which one? No, this
Yes.
is b square. Na? Outside is bracket. This I have multiplied a into this plus b into this. Like this only we multiply, na? Algebraic expressions. So a into a square, what is it? A cube. A into, those who are not getting, you can see over here how I'm doing. A into a square is a cube. A into 2ab is how much? 2 into
And 2A square B.
correct. A into b square is a into b square only. And then I will multiply b into a square is a square b. And b into 2ab is 2ab square. And then b into b square is b cube. Okay. Now just solve same things. This is a square b and this is a square b. Okay. So if you have same variable a square b and a square b. Can you join this, Mudabbir? 2a square b and a square b. How much it is?
Ma'am, 3a square b.
3a square b. What else can you join? This one, ab square and 2ab square. What does it give? 2a ab square plus 2ab square. How much it is?
Ma'am, 3AB square.
3ab square. And the last term left is b cube. So basically now you will again simplify it. A cube, 3 and 3 you can take out common. A and b also you can take out common. So I'll take out common in these two terms, 3ab. Inside I am left with divided by 3ab, you are left with a. Divide this by 3ab, you are left with b. So your formula is, this is your formula that you have to remember. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube And how do we remember it? Square का formula how do we remember? First term का square and second term का square, और बीच वाला term is 2ab. Here you will remember first term का cube and second term ka cube is the last term, and the middle term is 3ab because it is a cube. So remember 3ab into a plus b. So this is your formula for a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. Now this where do we use? Suppose I want to find out 101 ka cube. So if I have to find out 101 ka cube, what will I do? 100 plus 1 cube is equal to a cube is 100 cube. Okay. Then 3ab. So 3, this is your a and this is your b. So 3 into 100 into 1. A plus b is 100 plus 1, which is 101 plus b cube. B cube is 1 cube. So actually your answer comes out to be 100 cube means 6 zeros plus 300 plus not 300, sorry. It is 300 into 101. So you have to multiply it with 3 first. So 303 and 2 zeros. So answer is here, you will add plus 30320 and plus 1. Add all these, you will get the answer of 101 cube. Okay, 303. So it is 1030301. This will be your answer. So without multiplication, using this algebraic identity, we get this whole cube by using just this formula. If you remember this identity, you can calculate it. So what is it? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. Have you written this formula? Have you written, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now coming to the next special product, which is a minus b whole cube. Now you calculate what is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, you have to calculate again using a minus b into a minus b whole square. This is cube, right? 1 and 2. So it is cube. So now you will write down what is a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now you multiply and give me the answer. What answer you are getting? Ahmed, can you give me the answer for a minus b whole cube?
Okay.
Just find out the answer. Remember, here it is a minus. So in all the steps, minus will get inside. So you have to multiply with a minus b, not plus b over here. Okay, Ahmed, give me the first term, a into a square.
A cube
N.
minus 2a square b
Yes, then
plus ab square
ab square, then
minus
yes.
ba square.
Okay, I'll write a square b because sequence looks good. Okay, then
Minus plus 2ab square
plus 2ab square, then
minus b cube.
correct. Now can I solve it now? Tell me how.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer, ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
A cube.
Wait, let me come. Have you given this or with a bracket taking out the last answer you're giving me?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Last answer.
Okay, give me the last answer.
A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube.
A cube minus
3a square b.
Okay.
Plus 3ab square.
Yes.
Minus b cube.
Yes, it is correct. Okay. Tell me, Ahmed, this answer is given to you. Same answer you'll get. Minus 2a square b and minus a square b is minus 3a square b plus AB square and 2AB square is 3AB square, and then minus B cube. So you can remember this formula also, but sign ka gadbad hota hai. So how do we remember it? Alternate positive and negative sign is there. So A cube, then A ka 1 power less, so minus 3A square B, then plus 3AB square, A ka 1 more power less, and increase B ka 1 power, and minus B cube. Isko hi one more step you can write. You just take out common minus 3AB. When I take out common minus 3AB, your bracket is left with A minus B and minus B cube. So your final formula is A minus B whole cube. And how do we learn this formula? All are minuses. Same thing is there that you wrote in A plus B whole cube. Only thing is everywhere you have a minus except A cube. Is it clear? So your formula is minus 3AB, A minus B minus B cube. Only A cube is positive. And what is A plus B whole cube? A plus B whole cube is, do you remember? Mozam, can you give me A plus B whole cube?
Ma'am, A plus B whole cube is A cube plus 3AB into A plus B cube.
Correct. So in plus formula, plus whole cube formula, you have all terms with positive sign, and in negative A minus B whole cube, same terms are there, but all terms are with negative sign. Only A is positive. A cube is positive, the first term. So A cube minus 3AB into A minus B minus B cube. So these two special identities we have done today. These are the two identities. Based on this, we'll do questions. So this is your first one and this is your second one. Okay, have you written both the identities, everyone? Okay,
Yes,
so all the identities, only two more are left in this chapter. So we'll do that in the next class. Today we'll do questions based on these two identities only. So how do we apply just in the same way as we did the whole square and square formula? Same way we'll apply on cube formula also. Okay, so coming to our some solved questions so that you understand how do we use it. This we have already done. A minus B whole cube also we have done. This we are not doing now. So, okay. This is your question. 7x plus 9y. Now apply this and give me the answer. Apply the cube formula. Which formula? A plus B whole cube. Where A is, what is A in the first question? Tell me. According to
7x.
And what is B?
9y.
So you have to use 7x as A and 9y as B. But as I told you, you have to write the identity, which identity you are using. So you have to mention using A plus B whole cube is equal to so this becomes 7x plus 9y. What will be the value of this? Write down like this, A cube, so 7x ka cube. In the next step, you simplify. 3 into A is 7x, B is 9y, A plus B is 7x plus 9y, plus B cube is 9y whole cube. Your answer is 7. 7 cube is how much? Calculate 49 into 7. What is 7 cube? Anyone calculated? No? Farhana, what is 7 cube? 7 cube means you understand, na? 7 into 7 into 7. So you have to do 49 into 7.
Ma'am, 343.
Is it 343? 49 into 7. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yes. 343x cube. Okay. What is this? 7 threes are 21. 21 into 9. And x into y. In the bracket, you have 7x plus 9y. And 9 into 9 into 9. 81 into 9. 729. Is it clear? And then you can solve one more step. 189 into 7 is how much? Because I have to multiply this and this. So 7, yes, carry 6. 56. 1323 x square y plus 189 into 9. 9 nines are 81, carry 8. 72 plus 8 is 80, carry 8. 9 ones are 9. 10, 1701 xy square plus 729 y cube. So this is your answer. The following product, your answer is this. Are you getting the same answer? You can check my multiplication also. I might have done wrong also. I could do wrong also. A 189 into 7x, or 189 into 9y. All of you got this? Farhana, did you understand this formula?
Yes, ma'am.
It is cube, so you need to multiply 3 times. Square means you have to multiply 2 times. Okay. So cubic multiplication may little lengthier calculation will be there.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay. So second question, px minus yz. Which formula you'll use? It is now negative. So
A minus B whole cube.
yes, so a minus whole cube is a cube minus 3ab into a minus b and minus b cube. So all are negatives. Like that you have to remember. The formula is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 ab a minus b minus b cube. So here your a is px. So px minus yz whole cube is equal to px cube minus 3, sorry, ab I'm writing. A is px. What is b? B is into 9y. Then you will, oh, 9.
Ma'am, why is that, ma'am?
Ah, sorry. I just saw the first question. Px into yz. And here it is px minus yz. A minus b and minus yz whole cube. So what is px cube, Farhana? What is px whole cube?
Ma'am, it will be the same thing, right?
Ma'am, P to the power 3 and X to the power 3, right?
Correct. P cube and x cube. Okay. Yes. What is this, Abdullah? Px into yz.
PXYZ, ma'am. 3 PXYZ.
and px minus yz. And this will be minus y cube z cube. So your answer is you have to multiply p cube x cube. Mudabbir, what will be my first term when I multiply this and this? When I open the bracket, what will be my answer?
Ma'am, T 3p cube.
No, it is p and p. Only two p's are there. So 3p square.
P square x square,
Yes, and yz.
y square, and z square.
No, so y square z square won't be there because here you don't have yz. Only yz will come. Then you multiply with this. So minus and minus comes out to be plus, and you get 3px y square and
Ma'am,
yeah.
why will we not have y square and z square?
Here,
Yes.
because you are opening, when you are opening the bracket, this is distributive property. So whatever is inside 2x into 4 minus 2y is there. So you will multiply 2x into 4 and 2x into 2y, right? So here I multiplied 3px yz into px. So when I multiply with px, p ka power 1 bada or x ka power 1 bada, right? P square and x square and yz only as it is now. I am multiplying this into px. And then I am multiplying this into minus yz. So minus and minus comes plus, and first term is minus and plus, so it is minus. Is it clear, Farhana?
No, this is the answer, right, ma'am?
This is the answer. You got the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, do the next question now. X minus 4y square whole cube. So which formula? Again, this formula only you'll use. Again, write, always remember to write the identity, because if you write so many times, then automatically you will remember it and you will learn it also. A cube minus 3ab so here your a is x and b is 4y square. Okay. Mozams, give me the answer for this question. I'll wait. Last step for this. Solving it, na? You're doing this only, na? Third question. Solve it and give it to me, the answer. You got, Mozam? No, not getting. This second step, tell me the second step now. I have written this according to the formula, okay?
Ma'am, but the question you wrote here, x minus 4y whole square, but the question is x minus 4y square
Wrong
whole
question.
cube.
4y square is there. So this will be 4y square, and 4y square. Okay. Now, can you tell me the next step?
Ma'am, x cube
Okay.
minus 3 x square
Okay.
into 4y raised to 4.
Square, na? It is
Yeah,
square.
square.
Minus
Plus, ma'am, plus
plus
3x minus 3x into 4y raised to 4
4y raised to 4. One more 4 is there.
into 4y square.
4y raised to 4, why you are doing? Just a moment. Just do this thing first. don't do like that. First of all, na, just simplify stepwise, one step at a time. Okay, otherwise you'll make mistake. So first step we do is just solve this step. X cube minus, just multiply this. 4 into 3 is what? 12. Okay, x into y square is xy square. Okay, bracket में x minus 4y square. So abhi let it be in the bracket only. Then 4 cube is how much? 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are 64. So 64y cube. Is this step clear, Mozam? Is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll open the bracket. So now tell me, how will I open the bracket? Minus 12xy square into x. What is it, Mozam?
Ma'am, minus 12x square y square
Yes, and then minus and minus is?
plus 4y square
4 nahi. Again you have to
Plus-
multiply this.
plus 48y square, 48y square, yes, xy square,
Y raised to 2 into
Y
y.
raised to 4 na ma'am.
Yes, so it's y raised to 4. X is only 1. Whenever something is there outside the bracket, and we have to open the bracket, so you have to multiply both the terms with whatever is present outside the bracket. Okay, like I was giving you this 8 into 2x plus 4y. So I have to multiply. When I open the bracket, this is 16x plus 8 fours are 32y. So I have to multiply when I'm opening the bracket. So same thing I'm doing. I multiplied, and after this 64 y cube. So this is your answer. Abdul, did you get this answer?
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay. Now the next one, it is a plus b whole cube. Check your answer. Farhana, did you get this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm erasing it. Now the next is 2a square plus 3b square. Okay, now Farhana, you help me out. I'm just writing the formula first. Now what will I write? You give me the steps. This is your a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. This is your formula, okay? Now 2a square plus 3b square whole cube is equal to, what will be my first term, Farhana?
2a square
Okay,
and then cube
plus 3
plus 3 into 2a square
yes into
3b square.
yes
And
into
then in the bracket 2a square
yes,
plus 3b square
correct. And the last term
and the last term 3b square and whole cube.
and whole cube. Okay, now give me the answer. 2a square whole cube. First make 2 ka cube, then a square ka cube. So what is it? What is 2 cube?
8.
8. A square and cube. 3 twos are, you know, na, exponent to the power exponent. So a raised to
6.
plus, tell me, 3 into 2 into 3. First constant. First always multiply the constant. What is it?
6 and 6 18.
18. And then
A square b square.
a square, square. In the bracket, you have same thing. Except you will open the bracket. Okay. B square. And what is the last term? 3 ka cube. What is it?
27.
And b square cube.
Yeah. So b and 6 again.
6. Now we'll open the bracket. 8a raised to 6 plus 18 into 2. You need to multiply both the terms. Okay. 18 into 2, how much? 36. Into
A 4 a to the power 4
yes,
and b square.
okay. Second term, 18 into 3.
Ma'am,
54 A
Yes,
square B 4.
correct.
Ma'am, how did we get 8a raised to 6, ma'am?
Where this is 2 cube, 2a square is what? Separately, if you write, it is this thing. Because 2a square ka whole cube you have to do. So 2
Okay,
cube
okay.
and a square cube is 6. Exponent to the exponent. Okay. A m into n. So this is your answer for this question. Okay. Good, Farhana. Fifth one. Mudabir, you will help me in fifth one.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. I didn't complete
We'll
this
use
question.
the same formula, a cube, na?
We'll use a minus b now because it is a negative sign. Okay. Do it in your notebook. When I erase this, I'll ask you. After completing the fourth question, tell me so that I will erase this question. Now, should I erase this question?
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, you can erase, ma'am.
Everyone else has completed? So I'm erasing it. Okay. Okay, tell me, Mudabbir, which formula A minus B whole cube is equal to how much? A cube minus
A
3.
cube minus 3ab,
Okay.
3ab bracket a minus b
Yes. And
minus b cube.
minus b cube. Okay. So here our a by a is 2 by 3a and b is 5 by 3b. Okay. So whole cube. Tell me, Mudabbir, what will be my first term? A cube ki jagah pe what will I write?
Ma'am, 2 upon 3a whole cube
Yes, whole cube. Then minus
minus 3 into 2
yes,
upon 3a into
yes,
into 5 upon 3b.
yes. In the bracket, same thing. 2 by 3a minus 5 by 3b. Okay. And the last term minus
minus 5 upon 3 b whole cube.
b whole cube. Okay. Now solve it. What is 2 by 3a whole cube?
8 upon 9a.
9, 8. 3 ka bhi cube you have to do.
8 upon 27
Yes. 8 upon 27,
a cube.
yes. Minus, multiply. This 3, 3 you can cancel. Huh? 1, 3 in the numerator and 1, 3 in the denominator. Cancel out. Now what are you left with?
2a
Into 5 is also there.
2a into 10
10
ab
AB.
10 ab upon 3
Okay. In the bracket,
into,
same thing I'm
into
writing. Next step, we have taken everything. 5 2s are 10 AB upon 3. Yes. 2A by 3 minus 5B by 3. And what is the last term? 5 cube and by 3 cube. What is it?
125 upon 27
Yes.
b cube.
Yes. Now open the bracket. So first term is as it is, 8 by 27 A cube. Open the bracket, minus and this. You
minus,
have
minus 20
yes.
square b
Yes.
upon 3
3 into 3 is there. 3 into 3.
upon 9
Yeah. Then minus and minus.
minus 50 minus 50 a b square.
Minus and minus
Oh,
becomes
50 plus 50
plus 50
a b square
b square upon
9.
9. Yes. And the last term is as it is, 125 upon 27. Yes. Good, Mudabbir. So this is your answer for this question. Okay. And the last question, Ahmad, you will help me out. Last question. Okay. 1 plus 4
Okay.
by 3c. Okay. Can I erase this now? Yes. Okay. So coming to the last question. Last question, first of all, tell me, Ahmad, which formula we'll use?
A plus B whole square.
Cube. We are doing cube today. A
Whole
plus
cube.
cube. Okay. So what is the formula? A cube.
A cube plus 3AB
Yes.
brackets A plus B
Yes.
plus B cube.
B cube. Okay. So now we apply the formula, same formula on this question. Now tell me, what will be my first term?
A cube.
A cube. What is A in this question? 1 plus
One cube. 1 cube.
1 cube plus 3 into
3 into 1
into,
into 4 upon 3C.
yes, in the bracket 1 plus,
A plus 4 upon 3C.
yeah, A is not there in our question, only 1. Okay. Last term is
4 upon 3C whole cube.
whole cube. Yes. So 1 cube is 1 only. What is the second term? I can cancel out 3 numerator and 3 denominator because all are in multiplication. Okay, Ahmad?
Yeah.
So what is outside the bracket now?
4C.
4c. And inside the bracket you have 4c by 3. And what is the last term?
4. 16 times 4. 64
64.
upon 27.
Yes. Then
C.
c and
C cube.
c cube. Yes. Now open the bracket. 1 plus 4c into 1
4C.
plus what is the next term?
16C cube square
Square upon
3.
yes. Okay. The last term is 64 by 27 c cube. Okay. So that is our answer. Okay, good, Ahmad. So this is your answer for the last question. Is it clear? How do we apply the formula? Just similar to your whole square formula, we are applying the whole cube formula. So this we have done. Some more questions are there. I'm just leaving these questions. These are solved questions in your book only. So you can do that. Now let us do this question. Find using special product. Find what have they asked? Find the cube of each of the following. Okay, so that means you have to find first question I'm doing. First question is 19 ka cube you have to find. How can I write 19 in terms of 10, 20, 30 zeros ke term mein? How can you write 19?
20 minus 1.
Yes, so 20 minus 1 ka
Ma'am,
cube.
we can write 10 plus 9 also, right, ma'am?
10 plus 9 also you can write. पर वो 9 का क्यूब you will have to find out then. Okay, ये में देखो you 20 का क्यूब में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 1 का क्यूब में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Okay, so it is easier if you write 20 minus 1. So which formula will use? Which formula cube का? Ahmad?
A minus B.
A minus B. Don't use calculator, do it using this thing. A cube minus 3AB into A minus B minus B cube. Okay. So what is your answer? This step I want. 20 cube minus 3 into 20. Okay, this question I'll do. Just check your answer. 3 into 20 into 1 into A minus B is Emma, don't use calculator. I think you have done this using calculator. Huh?
No, I remember from the last time we did it.
Okay, 19 cube when we, acha, theek hai. We did 19 cube only. Okay, minus b cube is how much? 1 cube. Okay, so I have applied the formula. So what is it? 20 cube is how much? 2 twos are 4 twos are 8. And how many zeros? 3 zeros. Because 1 zero is there, so cube make 3 zeros. 3 twos are 6. 60 into 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. And minus 1. Now it is 8,000 minus 19 6 are 19 6 are 114. Is it correct?
114, ma'am.
So 114 into 10 and minus 1. So actually you have to subtract 8,000 minus 1141. 10 में से 1 गया 9, 9 में से 4 it goes how much? 5. 9 में से 1 8 and 7 में से 1 is 6.
Ma'am, 7859.
6859 na? 6859. Ahmed, this is your wrong answer. I think we did something else.
Ma'am, 8 minus 1 is 7 na, ma'am.
But borrow किया था ना यहाँ से.
Yes, ma'am. 685.
Yes. 6859.
Okay, so ये 9 9 10 था. So answer is 6859. Now find out 101 का cube. 101 में which formula will use?
Ma'am, we already did 101 का cube in starting only.
अच्छा, that answer Ahmed gave for 101 ना? ठीक है, 54 you do. 54. I thought Ahmed gave answer for 19 cube. So do 54 cube. How you are doing? 50 plus 4?
Yes.
ma'am.
50 plus 4, yes. I have not written the formula. Five into 5 into 5. Okay, what is 5 cube? 125 0 0 0 3 zeros. 5 fours are 20 and 20 into 3. 5 fours are 20, which is 200 into 3. So 3 twos are 600 into 54 plus 64. So 125000 plus 6 fours are 32 and 2 zeros plus 64. So you are adding 32400 and 64. 4 6. I'm getting this answer. Just tally your answer with my answer. Are you getting the same answer or not? 15746. Are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am. 157,464.
Okay. Now the last one, 47. How will we do for 47? Mudabbir, 47, how can we do in cube?
And 50 minus 3.
Yes, 50 minus 3. So do this question, last one. Sorry, not square, it is cube. 50 minus 3 whole cube. 50 minus 3 whole cube. Which formula we are using? Always write the formula, otherwise application becomes difficult, especially in minus case. A minus B and minus B cube. So your formula is here 50 minus 3 whole cube is again 50 cube minus 3 into 50 into 3 into 50 minus 3 minus 3 cube. 125, 0, 0, 0. 3 3s are 9. It's 45. 0, 47. 45 into 47. 2115.
Ma'am, it will be 21150
Ma'am,
na
zero
ma'am.
will also come na ma'am. 21150.
21150 na ma'am.
0 is also there. Yes. Plus 27 you do. So 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 2. So it is actually 125,000 minus 21177. 21177. So 10 minus 7, 3. 9729 and 9, 8 plus 9. This is 4. 4 may say 1, 3 and 0 and 1. So your answer comes out to be, check my calculation, huh? 103823. Just check your calculation and tally whether it is same or not. Then we'll check it if it is not same.
Ma'am, it is same.
Same, na? So this is your answer. Okay. So that's all. Today we have done whole cube plus and minus formula and some questions. So I won't give you any homework since you have tests. So after the test, we'll continue with this. Okay. So that's all. Sure. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.